Town hall at Kotka. This is a good reorganization.
Yeah.
Like swing doors and cases. 570 pictures.
Yeah.
Let's walk down the right in the doors in here.
I think these are
Yeah, I guess so also.
That's a little bit kind of.
Yeah. Oh, it doesn't have any doors.
Yeah.
Oh, it has new light on it. Nice. Oh, this is good fun actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. Built in 1962, modernized 2015. H11020. 6 persons are 480 grams. This is actually good rare modernization.
Yeah. But with cases 280 fixtures, 13 just have been much rarer.
Yeah, but the light feature is good, nice.
Yeah.
Good. I guess this is actually good modernization.
Yeah.
Not the best one possible, but still good.
Yeah.
What?
The cab looks like it's white.
It's not upgraded actually.
Isn't it?
No, it isn't. It's old. It's amazing old elevator cab. All the light feature has been upgraded inside it. And new button panel.
Are you sure that that's all?
And this elevator has more problems on it.
Are you sure that it is original?
Quite sure. But now comes the elevator's bad part. It jumps down a little.
Yeah.
That has to be fixed. Oh crap. We took accidentally another one.
Yeah. We can take 112, right?
Yeah.
I don't remember. I think it was.
Of course it has. It's a new elevator.
Yeah.
If it has a logic.
Oh, eco-disc. It has eco-disc in it. Yep. It's good for inner-door elevator with eco-disc. That's actually good work. Let's take a small view of it. I guess. I can work. Wow, nice time.
Yeah.
Amazing. Slow start. Built in 1962, modernized in 2015. H11021. 6 persons short, 480 kilograms. I guess this is the second video of the inner-dualist elevator with Kone disc. But it doesn't count as in monospec. Monospec with inner doors would be extremely amazing and rare.
Yeah.
Come on! Oh, fuck. Bad logic. Don't press the button now.
Inspected by inspector and maintained by Kone.
Yeah. Please do not press any buttons because it will be faster to open the door and press the button then.
Yeah.
Much faster, I guess. It's actually quite fast elevator.
Yeah.
But the old was better.
Yes, it was.
Even it was slower.
Yeah. Yeah, this thing is quite quickly when you open the door and then press the button. It's much quicker.
Yep.
Well, I have 40 minutes to film anymore. I guess it's enough.
Yeah.
What about the battery? Oh crap. I have to call my friend now. Luckily we did it on time.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. That's